Charlie here back again, and today we are gonna dun 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 random fun stuff in our dens and show what you could do for fun in drama. So let's go. So one fun thing is going to the Summer Carnival. Play games, get tickets, buy clothes. Oops. Oh wow. They added something new. A cotton candy hat, if you guys didn't see that. You could buy den items. And another fun thing to do is get cotton candy. And if you guys want to know how to make a fat Tim cotton candy, I'll show you right away. First, you choose a cone. I usually just take a white one. You do the black cotton candy. The white cotton candy. Oh, and guys, if you want to know this song, it is called My Heartbreak Song by Kelly Clarkson. And then you gotta do the black again. So then, it still looks like that. So then, now, it looks like a phantom. But, I usually never go for this one. So what did I go do it? I'm gonna do a blue, a black, and a white. Just get this black on. So that is my cotton candy. So let me just put the song back from there. So that's gonna be my cotton candy for the rest of the video, if it lasts the rest of the video. Another fun thing to do is go shopping, pretend shopping. So it's fun to do that for some dramas. And here's another thing that's fun you could do. Go make a family role play and have a family and do stuff, get pets, make skits and all that other stuff. So that's what you could do here. And another fun thing is to go play games. And it is fun, and it also does another good thing. You get more gems. So that's really cool. So, yeah guys. So guys, that wraps it up for this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye!